Today we are going to learn some easy tricks that will help us remember the note names inside of the alto clef. And this is for instruments like the viola. Before we go on, I want you to memorize these two things. So memorize these two things. Number one, I want you to memorize good boys deserve fudge. And then I also want you to remember or memorize, which is number two. And this one is funny aliens can eat grass. So number one is good boys deserve fudge. And number two is funny aliens can eat grass. So I want you to memorize those two things before we go on. So go ahead and pause the video and say it to yourself a couple times. Okay, now that you have that memorized, let's draw an alto clef. The way I remember it, I kind of write a 113, and the middle of the 3 is right on that middle line. So what I want you to do first is we're going to make a note head on each one of the spaces. So we have 1 space, 2, 3, and 4. There's only 4 spaces. Above each one of those note heads, I want you to write these letters: G, B, D, and F. So each one of those note heads corresponds to the letter above it. So, if you remember back to the other page, good boys deserve fudge. So that little sentence is going to help you remember the note names on the spaces. So, good boys deserve fudge. So now I want you to go down to the bottom line, and if you don't have this sheet, you can look in the description below, and you'll be able to find the file and print it up. Okay, we're going to draw another alto clef, and now this time I want you to make note heads on all of the lines. So there should be 5 note heads because there's 5 lines. And on this one we're going to write, I bet you can guess, F, A, C, E, and G. Once again, these note heads correspond to the letters that we just wrote. And I bet you can guess that the way to remember these notes that are on the lines is to remember this sentence: funny aliens can eat grass, or F, A, C, E, G. So that's for the lines. Funny aliens can eat grass. And then for the spaces, we have good boys deserve fudge always. So once again, this is for the spaces, and this is for the lines. So those two sentences right here can help you remember the notes that are on your staff. So take this to your class, remember it, and teach it to your friends.